Okay, so this is a very, very unique morning. I've been driving my scooter for a week and I've been here in Tacloban. But then all of a sudden I met Mom Dinah. Now, what happened is I did an Instagram story where I had bread in it, and it turns out she owns the bread shop and she's been following me for like 2.5 years on this journey. And then we asked her like, hey, do you know anybody we could rent a motor from? And well, she's kind of given me her car.
Yeah, you can use it.
So I'm gonna go road trip around Samar with a car for the first time ever because Mom Dinah is like super nice and friendly. So thank you, Apir.
Thank you.
I promise you I'll take care of it.
Yeah.
Promise. I hope we take care of it. This is it. Yes. Alright, ready? Go. Good. Thank you, Adele. Yes. Goodbye, Leti, and welcome to Samar. Okay, we are driving right now across the longest bridge in the Philippines, 2,200 meters. We're going over to Samar, and somehow we've ended up with a car. And as you can see, Kumar's here now, and he's playing around with a GoPro across the bridge. Look at this view. So something that's really cool though, this is gonna be the first time I'm ever gonna make videos road tripping this style. We left Cindy in Tacloban, and what's really nice about this is if you're a foreign national, you can actually apply and get one of these. That is a Filipino driver's license. So what I'm doing right now, this is legal, this is awesome. Bring it on, the road trip begins. You gotta make money for gasoline for Diwata, our vehicle.
Saging!
You gotta make money for gasoline, go.
Saging!
We're making money for gas for Diwata. Come on, sell the saging bread. Alright. We made it to Western Samar. This is the town of Calbiga. Now this place is so old, they don't even know when it was founded, so there's no foundation day. Behind me, that's the old municipal hall, where we're gonna go look for some waterfalls, look for some caves, bring on the adventure. Alright, step number 1, sign in. Come to the tourism office, sign in, game. Nice one, bro. Excuse me, sir. Saan ka nakatira?
Mother Earth, sir.
So that's our car, but we gotta ride in style because this waterfall is just way out there. So luckily we got Kuya Rosia. This is Kuya Rosia. She's gonna be our guide. We're gonna go find Lulugayan Falls. So bring it on, Calbiga. Welcome to Calbiga. Yeah, I love these homes, eh? So nice. The search for Lulugayan Falls in Calbiga, Western Samar begins. What a way to adventure in Calbiga! Hello, Western Samar! We're almost there! Oh man, this is an awesome drive actually. This is incredible! Right out in the mountains here, or in the Bukid of Western Samar. And we got Kuya Nicest. He's the nicest guide ever, not Rice, nice. His name is Nice. Oh, look at that view. barangay captain. We're here in barangay. Litaron? Barangay Litaron. This is gonna be our jump off for the Lulugan Falls, the Lugayan Falls. What a legend. He just drove past in the bushes. Barangay Litaron. Listen, bay. Ano pangalan mo, bay?
Jonas.
Jonas.
From Mindanao.
Oh, you're from Mindanao?
Opo.
Asa ka puyo?
Sa Surigao.
Asa dapat sa Surigao?
Sa Tandag City.
Tandag City? What, in Barangay Litaron? Up here. I think, bay. Kita na. Mag-military. It's the military, boys. Keeping Barangay Litaron safe. No way. Bay. Pasayas? May hapon. See? Ayos. Bay. Nice to meet you, bay. May hapon. Pasaya? Bisaya?
Saya,
Asa ka puyo?
Negros.
Negros, Adam.
Negros Oriental.
Yes, man. This is cool. The guys know me here in Barangay Litaron. Like military, no?
Oh.
Nice, thank you. Keeping us safe.
Salamat. Sige, welcome.
Alright, this is Kuya Henry here. He's gonna be our local guide from Barangay Litaron. Kumar's got a barkada now, look at. Kumar's got a barkada of kids. And we're gonna go to Lulugayan Falls. So this is our jump off with Kuya Henry. Mapa na hapon ba? Ayos. This is really beautiful, such a local place. That's the Bangon River, and we're gonna trek now to the waterfalls. Kuya, masta mapa na hapon. Such a local barangay. I love the vibe here. Kuya Henry, our guide, he's 27. Hey, Kuya Henry, makain ka?
Mga Lulugayan.
Yes, we're going to the Lugayan Falls. Yes, wherever I am learning. Yeah, we're walking along the side of the Bangon River now. It's about a 740-meter trek to the waterfall. So, Kuya Henry's teaching us waray. Barangay Litaron, Calbiga, Samar. Yes! Incredible waterfalls. It's called Lulugayan because Lulugayan means long hair, and it just stretches out like long hair across this river. Yes. Nice one, Kuya. That was awesome. Okay, back to the main Barangay Litaron headquarters. Whew, awesome. See, it's the most dangerous barangay. He's got that lutang. That's called lutang. It's a bamboo, basically gun that shoots little bits of paper. Nice. And he's got dumpa around his neck. Plastiko. Yes. Nice one. Apir. Yeah.